Roller skids are used to keep the camera head in the center of different sized pipes and also to keep camera head away from mud at the bottom of pipes, in order to keep camera head clean and also view best quality images. Please select the appropriate skids according to the size of the pipe, put the camera into the skids, rotate to find the right position, fix the lock ring. Take out the camera. Ensure the seal ring and the gold pins are in good status before installing camera head. For installation, grip the guide spring and screw the camera head tightly clockwise.